ihe karịa atụmanya aka. Ndị be anyị ndewono. You're welcome to Amara Bekee, where wisdom speaks with grace and relevance. You're welcome to the voice of Igbo wisdom, where we bring ancient adages back to life. One adage at a time in a way that everyone can understand and apply to life. In our today's episode of Wisdom Dosage, our adage is ihe karịa atụmanya aka. And this literally means that when things become too many, we point at them. This adage teaches that when things become excessive, obvious, or overwhelming, they can no longer be hidden. They reveal themselves. Anything that grows beyond normal boundaries becomes noticeable and attracts attention. So for our take on wisdom, when situation becomes too much, people will talk about it. And when someone's behavior becomes excessive, it becomes visible and cannot be concealed. When problems or blessings becomes too much, it draws attention naturally. And this adage warns against excesses because what is too much becomes public. So in everyday application, when someone's lies pile up, eventually they will be exposed. And when blessings multiply, naturally people will notice without you announcing it. When a wrongdoing becomes too much, others will point at it. And when a person overdoes something, it becomes obvious. Daalụ maka ile ihe onyonyo a. Biko ọ bụ na ị nwere nkọwa ọzọ n'ilu a nkọwara maọbụ ị nwere ilu ọzọ ị ga-achọ ka m tọọ ma kọwaa, dere m ya n'akara ide ozi. Echefukwana itinyere m aka n'akara ịhụnanya nke ndị oyibo na-akpọ like. Gbasakwa ozi a ma sorokwa m. Ndewo.